have a Rumble account too. There's a link on YouTube, so all the videos that I can't post because YouTube's being a little too sensitive, you can find my Rumble. I don't have a volume knob, I only have a silencer. Choose this option most of the time. I don't have a volume knob. I can't turn this off. I can't turn this down. I can just go somewhere else inside my mind, and then I'll come right out when it's time. That's where the pain comes from. I cannot help but run when you want me. I can't let anybody want me. You might find it sad, you might find that pathetic, but just the way it is, I don't have to explain it. No matter what I tell myself. So if you look at me some type of way, I already know what you're fixin' to say. And I'm already disgusted. And it's not just the sex that turns me off. It's the whole idea of you wanting anything at all from me. Don't you know that I'm free because of this prison in which I reside? But you don't have to understand. I never asked you to understand.